Alright guys, let's go this way and see what they're doing back here in the used car department. I see a Wrangler. Oh, this the one getting a heater core. Oh god, heater cores are a little fun on these. Yes, everything over here, all the tip 'em, see all the tip 'em and stuff you got down there, all of that has to come out. Oh, we have to pull the intake off just to get to the AC and the heater hoses. Look how you got that taped up, guys. I always cover up those intake manifolds, but the heater core on these. Now, guys, we're still cold, right? So we're still in partial wintertime. The heater core, what's going on is heating on one side, guys. You can have a partially restricted heater core. Just say you're getting hot on this side but it's cold on the other side. Yes, that can be the results of a partially restricted heater core. However, you do need to make sure that the coolant is flowing through the heater core. Okay, so before you indulge in anything like that, yes, the heater core is needed to get proper heating from your HVAC system, but you got to make sure you diagnose this kind of stuff correctly, guys. Okay, both heater hoses look like one, and I'm sure one is from the water pump area, the delivery. Both of those have to be hot, man. Coolant has to be flowing through them in order to get to the heater core. So if you're not even getting flow to the heater core, you're in trouble. So be careful how you diagnose these. Now, if you grab both inlet and outlet heater core hoses and they extremely hot, then yeah, one could assume you have a problem with the heater core. But if they cold, you got other problems. You got plumbing problems, not actual internal problems with that. You need to find out, make sure you're getting the coolant is making it to the heater core. And what I tell y'all on some of those water pump videos I've done, the water pump is responsible for circulating the coolant, guys. So the water pump has to be working, doing its job in order to push. It's called a water pump, meaning it pumps water. In this case, antifreeze. It pumps water, antifreeze throughout the cooling system. Yes, it has to make it to the heater core air free. In other words, no air pockets. It has to be properly bled. The cooling system has to be on point for your heater to work. All right, for it to work properly. That includes the water pump has to be. That's a good way to check your water pump. See if your hoses are hot. See if you're even getting coolant going to it, because and a lot of things come into play, guys. The thermostat has to stay closed. It can't be stuck open, because the coolant will never heat up, and if it's open, it's just going to continue to circulate. You'll never get heat. So before you diagnose a car as being or as needing a heater core, make sure you do all your preliminary check. All right. Now, I haven't done one of these in a while, so I can't remember how they come out, but I'm going to keep coming back here periodically to see how he got it out. I'm sure the dash may have to come out. Some of them is right underneath, but we'll see, guys. We'll see. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to go back over here on the other side. I think I got a car down here in my stall I'm supposed to look at. Let's get it, guys. All right, guys, let me see how far he has gotten. Okay, I see a pan under there. Here we go. And the disassemble begins. So I assume the whole dash got to come out, guys. All right, got the center. Yep, to get to that HVAC housing, I want to call it, it's likely that whole complete dash panel has to come out. Just about they all just about have to come out to get to the AC control housing that's in there. So a little bit more here, have it all, I guess. This is no big deal. It looks like a lot of work, especially to you newbies, but my very first one was kind of intimidating, but you do a couple, it's a piece of cake, guys. He's chasing a heater core. No heat on one side. That could likely mean the heater core is partially restricted, and it happens a lot, guys. What causes it? Who knows, guys? It's up for debate. Okay, any ridiculous additive that y'all put in each cooling system could contribute to it, but who knows? We'll see. I come back when he get it all out, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Let's see how far he has gotten on this heater coil. I ain't been back in a while. It's like 2 hours later. There we go, guys. What I tell you? I told you the whole thing had to come out. He got it out, fellas. Hey, let me go around this side. Wasn't that bad. Like I say, you had to remove the intake in order to gain access to the other stuff. But yes, steering wheel and all had to come out, guys. The AC housing is behind the instrument panel. Not bad at all. Hope he charged accordingly. I think these pay like 8 hours maybe. Last one I did, I got 7 hours for it. It was CP. You can beat the time, sure, if you get on it and stay on it. First things first, getting the instrument panel out. That way, now you can separate the HVAC. Oh, yeah, looked like a little something was going on here. All right, now all they gotta do is replace and put it back together. Dude, man, I see some crud right there.
Really?
Go ahead, bust it open. Shut up, man. Bust the thing open. I want to see what's going on in here.
Do you think it's an add-on? Serious? No? See, here's my problem. There's no plug to disconnect it.
Oh.
No.
Well, you just bring all of this out with you.
The little wire.
Oh, the little one.
Yeah. That's it.
It's going all the way in here somewhere. As far as you need to go anyway, right?
That's the mode. The blend's down in there. I was trying to get the mode open so I can see it as far as it opens. Yeah, I see it moving. I see it moving down there.
Because it looked like we're going to be in the winter season for at least 2 more months.